What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 3 of the S54 swap. Day 2 I kind of failed on getting a lot of footage, so I'll probably insert all of the footage I have from that here in a second. But basically a quick rundown. We got the whole front end off on this E46 wagon. Guys, this makes the job so much easier. Look at all this room, you know, like I really think you have to do this, guys. I'll show you the M3 quick, how I pulled this. I banged up a lot of things, guys, pulling this motor with leaving the front end on. I banged up the radiator support. I banged up this corner. I was kind of rough pulling this one because this thing's probably going to go to the junkyard, like I said earlier. So if you're in the Bay Area and you see E46 M3 coming to pick and pull junkyards, don't go, because I took everything off of it. This thing's basically a goner, guys. That's all I can say. It's gonna be a roach by the time I'm done. I'm doing spark plugs and stuff right now on that motor, and I'm hoping by the end of today's video that motor's gonna be in the wagon. Anyways, guys, let's get on with it. You got a freaking big mess, man. All right, guys, so the hour has come. Everything's removed, as you guys can see here. Sweeping up the driveway a little bit. Motor, like I've showed you 4 or 5 times, is basically sitting there ready to go. But what we're gonna have to do is lower this onto the tire right here, because I need to use this tool to pull the 325 motor out of the car. You can see everything that we have disconnected right here. I ended up disconnecting the AC line from back here, and this runs all the way to the AC compressor right there, just because that bolt right here is a little harder to get to than that one right there. So everything is basically ready to go here, guys. I have everything disconnected underneath here. No more drive shafts. The exhaust is all off. I have the control arm unbolted right here. You know, just to get the most room as we can possible. Grandpa right here helped me push the M3 to the street. And so basically what the plan is once we get this motor out of the car, I'm gonna have to push this back into the driveway and transfer all the front M3 suspension into the E46 wagon. Just a quick rundown of what that's going to be. That's going to be the E46 M3 steering rack right here, the E46 control arms, E46 M3 front brakes, the struts. So basically the whole shabam from the M3 is going to be going into this wagon over here. But first and foremost, we have to get this motor out of here. Let's get this engine stand ready to go and pull this sucker out. With that jacked up, I can actually see where I'm going to put the chain through way down there, which you guys probably cannot even see. But I'm going to go ahead and get this chain on and hook it up to here and pull this sucker out. Got that bottom chain hooked up. I actually had to take out the starter motor, guys, to get that chain in from I had to lay underneath the car, but I got it in. So this is the easy one, obviously. Hook the chain up to that bad boy. And now we're gonna start yanking this motor out. See how it goes. You gotta do it slowly. I think I got everything disconnected, but we'll know in a minute. My hood.
How do we? Oh Jesus! I didn't see that.
It's already that happening. 30 seconds into it. All right, guys. So we're gonna get this settled up a little bit, and once I got some more progress, we'll update you there.
Tie it up to this. Chain?
That was so hard to get the chain on right here. I ended up removing the starter to get to
I'm sure it was. You know what you should do though? God, I wish they had some sort of a lug.
Look at now, the caps are gonna hit on the subframe right here, pulling up. It's on everything. But it's coming. Steering column had to be disconnected. Oh my, or the rack. Yeah, it's super tight fit.
Yeah, it's going to be. But if the rack's out when you try to put it in, are you going to try to put the transmission in at the same time?
Yeah.
You're going to do this?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I think that's the best way to do it.
It probably will be.
All right, guys, we're doing some serious progress here. Got the strut off of the 325. I have it laying over here. Put the 325 steering rack. The M3 steering rack is out over here. Everybody's working out. I owe everybody dinner. Doing that. Dad's doing this side. What?
Like we'll get paid back on the day.
Those wrenches are nice, huh?
It's wonderful. I love this.
Oh man, so Grandpa's doing these ones. Hold on, Opa, I'm not ready for that yet.
Well, I just leave them like loose. Okay?
Okay. I thought the... Oh, damn. Damn, Brandy disconnected this too, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want anything to break.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this off and everything will be good to go. So, and the M3 suspension is in. No fun. No fun. Don't leave me, I need more work done.
I gotta go buy Halloween candy.
The old convertible. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, remember to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Until next time, let's just go straight to business. This thing is looking good. Oh my god.